Ingo, look what I got.
Pinulat mo naman ako. What are you so excited about anyway? Oh, ano yan?
This is a model boat.
Boat? Boat? Ha? Boat? Ha? Wala ka naman dun eh. Sira-sira naman eh.
Those are the parts of the model boat. I have to put them together in order to make the boat. But I really don't know how to do it eh.
I have an idea. I will help you. We can do it together.
Really, Ingo? This is going to be fun. But I have to finish my homework first.
Of course. I will wait for you.
You promise?
Yes, I promise.
Okay, I will leave this here. Do not start without me. Bye.
Right. Huh. Ano kaya gagawin ito? No. I promised Chito. I will just take a look. Huh? Where does this go? This belongs here. And,
Ingo?
Ay.
Have you seen my book? I have been looking for my book. Have you seen it? Where?
The box. The box. Look.
I am looking. Which box? What? In the box? On the box? Inside the box? Outside the box? Beside the box? Where?
Yeah. Inside, outside, under, beside, behind, on, in. What about it? The box. Open it.
Ay. Inside.
Ay.
The book is inside the box. If you had used the preposition inside, this misunderstanding would have been avoided.
Prepositions?
Yes, words like in, on, inside, outside, beside, behind, around.
Prepositions. Yun lang pala. I know all about prepositions.
Really?
I use it all the time.
Oh, okay.
In. The book is in the box. On. The book is on top of the box. Inside. The book is inside the box. Outside. The book is outside the box. Beside. The book is beside the box.
Correct.
Behind. The book is behind the box. Under. The book is under the box.
Very good, Ingo.
Thank you very
Now,
much.
Can you tell me how they were used?
Do I have to do this? I used them to show where the book is.
Correct. Prepositions are used to indicate the place of a person or thing. But did you know that they also indicate time, like the preposition before? They also show direction, like the preposition across. And they indicate comparison as well. For example, the preposition like.
Good. They have many uses.
Yes, exactly. They are linking words used to show the relationship of nouns or pronouns to some other words in the sentence. The nouns or pronouns always follow the prepositions.
Before. I will see you before dinner. The noun dinner comes after the preposition before.
Correct.
Across. My friend pointed to her house across the street. The noun street follows the preposition across.
Yeah.
You are right, Karen. Now, can I go back to what I was doing?
Well, what are you doing?
Nothing. Wala ito. It is not important. Uy, what is that?
What?
Huh? The bird is perched onto a branch. Oh, another bird is flying toward the nest. One more bird sat near it.
Very observant. Hey, look! You are building something. Is it for me?
No.
Oh.
I am assembling this for Chito.
Oh.
He asked me to do it.
Oh. Do you need help?
No. No, thank you. No,
Okay, well, I'm going to go now and read my book. Bye.
Yes. Karen,
Yes?
can you show me how to do this?
Okay. Let me see. Okay, instructions. Put some glue. You have glue?
Yes, it is
Okay.
inside.
Along the dotted line on part number 16A. And then position it against part number 16B. Do you have 16A and 16? Okay. Hold down firmly for a while until the glue dries up. So did
Yes, it is inside.
Okay.
I think I can do this by myself.
Oh,
Thank you very much.
well, it will be easy if you read and follow the instructions properly.
Yes, I will keep that in mind.
Oh,
Thank you.
I'm gonna go now. Hello.
Oh. Does it look like a boat? Please say it looks like one.
Mingo? No. What happened? Did you follow the instructions?
I did. I just got so confused with all the complicated steps and all the prepositions.
Prepositions? What prepositions?
Wait. Where is it? Saan na nga yun? Here. Place parts number 24A and B alongside part number 9 to form the keel.
Alongside is a preposition that means at the side of.
So I have to put the 3 parts side by side to make the bottom of the boat. Kaya pala. Here is another part I do not understand, Karen. Attach part number 8 in between parts number 16A and B. Then affix the mast across from the captain's deck. Captain's deck.
I think I know why you were confused. It is because there are some words you are not familiar with. Also, there are some prepositions used which are compound prepositions, like in between and across from.
Compound prepositions?
Yes.
You mean 2 prepositions used as one?
Yes. In the case of in between, it means you place part number 8 in the middle of parts number 16A and B. Meanwhile, across from means opposite of. So, you put the mast or the pole opposite the captain's deck.
Karen, here is another compound preposition.
Ingo, I'm done with my homework.
Hi,
You can now
Chito.
build my boat. Thanks for waiting for me.
Huh?
Bill,
Chito?
You did not wait for me, but you promised.
I did not mean to.
I don't care.
Well,
You broke your promise and you even ruined my boat.
I am sorry, I did not mean to destroy it. I was just too excited to get started.
Still, you promised Chito that you would work on it together. You even lied to me about it. Chito has a right to be mad because the model boat is his.
Anong gagawin ko?
I do not know. Think about it.
Tulungan mo ako, pati ba naman ikaw?
You lied to me. I am going now.
Chito, I am very sorry about what happened. I did not mean to build it alone and ruin your boat. Well, I was too excited to start assembling. I know I should have kept my promise and waited for you. Dapat kasi, di ko muna pinakialaman.
It is okay, Ingo. I'm sorry for getting mad and shouting at you.
No. No. You have every right to get mad at me. I broke my promise and ruined your boat. Ito nga pala. Ginawa ko para sa'yo. Alam ko, hindi na mapapalitan yung nasira kong... Pero,
Wow, you made this for me? It looks really good. Thanks, Ingo.
I have an idea. What if we all try and fix the model boat together?
I have a better idea. Why don't we do it now?
All right. Sige. Sige. Wow. Our model boat is finally finished. Lagyan natin ang pangalan. Ay. Hindi nga pala akin to.
Go ahead, do the honors.
Sigurado ka? All right. Chito.